Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to deselect in Photoshop. If you've ever used a selection tool like the lasso tool, marquee tool, or quick selection tool, you've probably seen those moving dotted lines often called marching ants around part of your image. That means a selection is active. While selections are powerful, sometimes you simply want to remove the selection and continue editing normally. Knowing how to deselect quickly can save you a lot of time while working in Photoshop. I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcut and also the menu method in case you prefer using the top toolbar. And if you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, let's look at the fastest way to deselect in Photoshop, which is using the keyboard shortcut. Start by making any selection on your canvas. For example, you could choose the rectangular marquee tool and drag across part of your image. As soon as you release your mouse, you will see the marching ants showing that the area is selected. Now to remove that selection instantly, simply press Ctrl and D on your keyboard at the same time. That's Ctrl plus D. The moment you press it, the marching ants disappear and your selection is cleared. This shortcut works with almost every selection tool in Photoshop, including the lasso tool, polygonal, lasso, magnetic, lasso, quick selection tool, and magic wand. Because it's so fast, most Photoshop users rely on this shortcut constantly while editing. If you prefer using the menu instead of keyboard shortcuts, Photoshop also provides a simple menu option. First, move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on Select. This opens the selection menu where you'll see several options related to selections, including All Deselect, Reselect, and Inverse. To remove your current selection, simply click Deselect. As soon as you click it, the marching ants will disappear and the active selection will be cleared, just like the keyboard shortcut. This method is helpful if you're still learning Photoshop or if you forget the shortcut. Quick tip: if you ever feel stuck because Photoshop only edits inside a selected area, always check whether a selection is active. If you see the marching ants, just press Ctrl plus D to clear it immediately. Mastering small shortcuts like this can speed up your workflow a lot, especially when you are making frequent selections while editing photos or graphics. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If it helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.